Hey everyone, we're starting work tomorrow on our bathroom remodel, so I wanted to take a video of the before so we can compare progress once everything is done. We originally wanted to do most of the work ourselves and make it more of a facelift than a full-on renovation, but after doing a lot of research and talking with a few professionals and really considering the state of the fixtures that are in here, we ended up deciding to do more of a overhaul than we had originally planned. So the first thing we are going to do is to rip out these old plaster walls. You can see this is plaster. It's not just the paint, it's the old plaster style walls that they have in here. This house is probably about 100 years old, and as far as we know, the bathroom has never been updated. So they're gonna take these plaster walls out and replace them with basically the equivalent of drywall, cement backer board, which is appropriate for bathrooms. Then the huge thing is this old tub. We figured out that this is a pedestal tub, those old, kind of like a clawfoot tub, but the bottom is a pedestal, which is so cool, I think. But after talking with 3 contractors, all 3 of them said it's going to be so much more of a headache to keep it and make it look good than it is to just take it out and replace it with a new tub. So I've seen these tubs selling online for several $100s, so we're going to take it out and hopefully we can at least make a little bit of money on the resale. So after they rip out and replace the walls and then put in a new tub, they are going to do tile, actual tile over thin set mortar versus the fake vinyl peel and stick kind of stuff. We had that in our old apartment and it would peel away from the wall and get mildew underneath, just not good. I want to do actual tile. So they'll do tile in the shower area, and then the rest of the walls will be paint. We're going to do a new actual porcelain tile floor. This is laminate and it's 7 different layers of laminate over the original floor. And then because of budget, we're actually going to keep the original sink and the original toilet. And this, the plumbers told me, this is the original toilet that has been in here since plumbing was introduced in residential houses. So this thing has seen some stuff. So we're going to keep it and we're just going to clean it up a little bit. I already took a magic eraser to it earlier today and it looks better than it did. I took some product to the sink to get rid of the rust stains that were on there. So I think when everything else is redone, these old fixtures won't look quite so bad. They'll kind of blend in and be kind of cool to keep the original fixtures from the house. And then the final thing will be the medicine cabinet. This one is the old built-in, I think this is a support beam in the wall. I don't know exactly how he's going to do this. If he can set it in the wall, he will, but if not, it'll just be attached over this and this will be closed in. So that'll be the remodel. And then we will have to put, I want to hang some shelving over the toilet for some additional storage. But as you can see, it's a pretty small space, so we're kind of limited with what we can do. But I think making these improvements is going to make a world of difference in the 1 bathroom we have in this house. So I can't wait to show you what it looks like when it's all done.